Hello guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Don't know exactly when you will be seeing this, but I am going to be unboxing, doing a live unboxing, and I want to make sure that my address is not on there. Yeah, so I just got this from Walmart. I picked it up today. Well, I don't know when you will be seeing it. And this is my Ozark Trail mug that I've been waiting for. So it came today and I am super excited to open this bad boy. I was gonna wait, but I'm like, no, because in the morning I gotta make my mocha latte. And if you did not see my recipe for the bomb DIY mocha latte and how to do it at home and save your coins from giving them to Starbucks daily, you definitely have to see the link below. Okay, so, you know, Walmart doesn't do too much when they package. All right, let's move that out the way. Okay, so, yeah, this is something. See, when I seen it online, excuse my nails, I've been working with tools and stuff, my hands dry and all that. It looked really thin, but then when I seen it on YouTube, I seen how thick it was, and I actually like the look of this. And no, it doesn't have a mouth spout that closes like the other cup that I had, but it does have a mouth spout. And even with that being said, this was in comparison on YouTube. I'll try to see if I can remember the video of the guy who I seen on YouTube that did a comparison with the Yeti and the Arctic something. It's some other cup. He did scan with your one more app to learn more. Oh, okay. Well, anywho, he did a comparison with the Yeti cup, and you guys know, hold on one second. All right, guys, I am back just to show you how much we love the Ozark Trail items. So I didn't put everybody's item up here because myself, my husband, and my daughter and I all have this this one here, which is, I believe, 36 ounces. This is the baby girl's. This is hers. Listen, let me tell y'all something. If y'all don't understand nothing that I'm telling you guys, and I know I share a lot with y'all, this right here I had to have when I started that water fast several months ago. This keeps your water cold. Like if I put ice in this, I did a video. Go look at the video. I'll try to put a little playlist together for the Ozark Trail so you can also find that one as well and put it below. I'll try to remember the playlist. Let me write my little note. Okay. Okay, Ozark. All right. So this right here is amazing. I can put ice in here and fill it up with water tonight, and it will still be ice in here and still be cold tomorrow night. It is amazing. Now, I have these big mugs, and these are pretty good because the size of them are able to go into a cup holder, and these do last a long time. They're made just the same way as the smaller cup, right? I had purchased these. I wonder, no, that's too big. It won't fit. I was like, I wonder if this will fit on this cup, but I kind of doubt it. I purchased these off of eBay some time ago when I got these because I wanted to be able to seal my bigger cup. I'm wondering if I can find some for this cup. I'll see, and I'll let you guys know. I end up cracking mine. This is my husband's cup. And we actually, to be honest with you, have put these away because it's not like we go off to a job or something and have to carry coffee. We usually just like to keep our water by our bed. And he really is not a hot drinker like that, like I am. I love my mocha lattes and my coffee in the morning. And not even every morning, in teas and stuff. So, you know, just to have it around the house. The difference is this right here is a little bit wider than the bottom of the, you know, this particular cup. Other than the bottom, which has been set on gravel outside in the summertime and all that, it has not chipped or broken up at all. And this is my baby girl. So the powder coat on these are really amazing because she takes this to dance, she takes it to school, it be out on the playground, all of the above, and it's just amazing. I just like the stainless steel because it goes with everything, and if it's sitting on my nightstand, it doesn't just, I don't know, I'm anal about certain things when it comes to my bedroom. And so I am loving and I am so feeling this. And you guys know I did get that Amazon cup and I wasn't feeling it because it didn't keep things cold long. And so that was the reason for me investing in this, which is only $6.24 with tax included. So I'm excited to use this. I'm excited to keep you guys posted. This is just the unboxing, but you know your girl is going to let y'all know. I hate when stuff rips like that. Let you guys know how good this cup is. It is very, very sturdy. The top is made very well. Do y'all see that? This top is made amazingly well. Ozark Trail gets slept on. Everybody want to be on the Yeti bandwagon just because, but you're just paying for a name. That's just like a Jordan sneaker or sneakers that just, oh, they're Yeezys. Okay, and same material and same items is made with different Nikes and different Adidas and different Pumas and different stuff like that. But people just have to have what they want to have. And this is what the inside looks like. Now, the only downside to these are the fact that if you don't drink your coffee in the period that it takes for this to still stay warm, you can't warm it up in here. You have to pour it in something else and then heat it up. But that was my reason for getting this, because I don't want to have to warm it up. I want to be able to at least it usually takes me about an hour or so to drink my coffee. And with this, according to the review the guy did, the in-depth review that I'll try to remember to put below, y'all got to remind me if I forget, it lasts more than an hour where it's on a drinkable, nice heat for your coffee and not tasting lukewarm or anything like that. So I said, you know what? Gotta have it. Look at this handle. Like, this is soldered really well. Ozark Trail is the bomb. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? This is the bomb. This is absolutely the bomb. And for $6, something nice and chic on your table at your job or whatever the case may be, loving it. And I think I have some ideas for some great things for my channel for this cup. So yeah, we shall see. We shall see. But I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure if you have any questions, you leave them below. This is just an unboxing and to show you how we love Ozark Trail. We actually love Ozark Trail, and everything has its purpose. They have cozies for beer, cozies for cans, soda cans. They have so many different items. It is pathetic, okay? You guys need to look into Ozark Trail, and this is what it looks like, okay? And it's mainly it started off, I guess, just for camping equipment and stuff like that, but people are utilizing these every day in their homes, offices, and workplaces and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's my cup. I can't wait to use it tomorrow, and I'm going to actually do a video of when I put my coffee in. And I don't have a thermometer. That would have been awesome to do it myself as well, but maybe I can still do it because it is my cup at this point. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you know I try to give you in-depth reviews on how I feel about something. Just holding this bad boy is just, yeah, just holding it is just amazing. Just holding it in my hand, you could tell it's well made, and I love the look of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, it is time for me to go. I'm so sorry. I know I